What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Blue Willow. Blue Willow is a free AI artwork generator accessible through Discord and LimeWire, offering users the ability to create AI-generated images by providing detailed prompts. Users can generate up to 10 images daily for free, retaining full rights to the images they create. Blue Willow combines various AI models including Stable Diffusion to produce a wide range of graphics, logos, and photorealistic scenes. By joining the Blue Willow Discord community and making a free account on LimeWire, users can easily create customized images for their projects, with the platform constantly improving its AI through user feedback and expert teams. Now let's take a look at Blue Willow. So first, go to bluewillow.ai, and from here you have two ways to go about this. So for the first option, you can go about this by connecting to Discord, and for the second one, you can stay on the browser and generate the images from here. So let's try the second option from here. So let's go ahead and click on this button, and it is going to take us to LimeWire's dashboard. Now once you're here, click on AI Studio, and from here you can click on Create Image. Now from the left side panel, you will see different options. So under model, you can choose Blue Willow 4. So this is the stable version, and you will have a text box for your prompt and for your negative prompt. Negative prompt means that these are the details that you don't want to show in your image. On the right side panel, you will have other options such as image dimensions and prompt guidance. So the higher the number here, it is going to make your image closer to your prompt. You also have your quality and details. So if you want your generated image to be low, medium, or high quality, you can change it here. So let's just choose medium for now. And you also have the number of images. So this is the number of images that is going to be generated for your prompt. Now for this one, let's go ahead and choose 4. So the AI is going to generate 4 images for our prompt. Now when everything is set, you can go to your prompt box in here and give a description of an image you want the AI to generate. So for example, I am going to type here a happy cat riding on a horse flying over a city at night. Alright, so after that, let's click on generate image. And as you can see, there are 4 images being generated for this prompt. Alright, so here we can see our 4 images. So you can choose one and take a look at it. You can click on this button to expand the image. So here we can see a cat flying over a city at night. And if you notice, these images are also in different style. So let's take a look at the last one here. We can see that this is actually quite realistic compared to the others before. They look a bit cartoonish. So there are also other options that is available here. Let's go ahead and click back on AI Studio, and you can also edit your image from here. So let's click on generate under edit image. Now from the left side panel, you can click here to upload or drag a photo you want to edit. So let's just click on this one. Now I chose this picture. So underneath it, there is also a prompt box. So maybe I can say add butterflies and click on generate image. So here, as you can see, we have our AI generated image. Now let's go back to AI Studio, and there are other options here, but some are not yet available. So you can also outpaint an image, inpaint an image, or upscale an image. In conclusion, Blue Willow is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create stunning AI-generated images for their projects. Its user-friendly interface and accessibility make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. With its ability to generate a wide range of images and its commitment to improving its AI, Blue Willow is a valuable resource for anyone looking to create high-quality graphics. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.